Hello everybody. So the first thing you're going to want out is our vocab sheet. We're going to add some stuff here. Okay. So interest is, before, interest was money that you got for basically letting the bank use your money. They would give you a little bit of money in return, like a percent of however much was in your bank account so they could use it. And the vice versa is true. So interest is extra money you pay the bank in return for a loan. And remember, a credit card is a short-term loan, so you might need to pay interest on your credit card if you don't pay it off every month. APR stands for annual percentage rate. You'll see this come up a lot in like commercials for buying a car. APR, you know, they'll say 0 down, low APR. And this is basically, this is your annual interest rate. For your loan. So you might be paying 12% to get a loan, but remember, it's always, no matter what it is, so like if you had an example of like 12%, and you're paying 12% interest on having a loan of, I don't know, lots of money, you only pay 12% interest on what you still have to pay off on your loan. So like if you took out a loan of like $15,000, and you've already paid off $5,000, you don't have to pay the interest on the money that you've already paid off. So if you've already paid off $5,000, great, you're not paying 12% on that $5,000. You're only paying 5% or 12% on the $10,000 you've left to pay. So we're doing, there's actually 2 parts to this worksheet, and the second part is coming tomorrow. So there is no homework that is due tomorrow, but today we're going to start the beginning of it. So your whole homework assignment will be problems 1 through 26 on this worksheet, but today you'll be able to do 1 through 6. All right, so let's imagine that the amount that you want to borrow is $385. And your monthly payment is $67.31. Okay, now the reason why your monthly payment is so much higher than the amount that you originally wanted to borrow is because it includes interest. So basically you're paying extra for the privilege to get to have this money. So the first question they have here is, what is the amount to be repaid? So to find out the amount to be repaid, I'm going to take my monthly payment and multiply it by how many payments I have. So I have to do this, looks like for 6 months. I have to pay that much each month to pay back this. So I'm going to show my work right here. For this one, I'm going to take $67.31 and I'm going to multiply by 6 payments. And I get $403.86. So when I fully pay back my loan, I'm going to be actually paying $403.86. So to find out how much of that is interest, I need to take this amount, which was $403.86, and I'm going to subtract what I originally borrowed. And whatever's left over, that's how much interest I must have had to pay. So that's $18.86. So basically, if I want to borrow $385, whatever this, whoever this company is, whatever this bank is, or whoever it is, I said, look, I want to borrow $385. And they said, no problem, you have to pay it back over 6 months and you have to pay this much back. So in the end, I paid back $403.86 because they charged me $18.86 interest. All right. So you have to do the remaining 5, which you could easily do right now really quickly, and then have lesson assignment to work on tomorrow night. Hope you do. And that's it from me today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.